the list, our chief organizer, our principal, dynamic person. Now, I would request our ma'am. I would like to request my madam to show an action. That means we can say that is when a girl comes from college and at entering home, she sees that means her father and mother in suppose in angry mood, quarreling. At that time, what is the reaction of this girl? So this is our Assamese regional language, but ma'am will show it in our own language. The reaction of the girl after seeing the angry mood of parents. So I request ma'am to show.
Not in a mood, still I will try.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Now it is over to you.